In our last video, we took a boat to Freedom Beach from Patong. And let's just say lessons were learned. We fell off the long-tail boat. So yesterday we went to Freedom Beach. We got a long-tail boat from Patong Beach. Speaking of long-tail boats, you need some good footing and balance getting on and off.
Yeah, and don't rush. Let them stabilize the boat a bit,
Yes.
then get down.
We had a bit of a mishap.
Yeah.
On our way down, got a bit totally wet. So I think a dry bag is a good idea if you're using these boats. The beach itself is very nice. Soft
Yes.
sands, blue waters. The current is quite strong with the waves coming in and out. Very strong. But all in all, it was good.
Yeah, there's a small restaurant on the end of the beach serving pretty decent food as well. I don't know, it's a nice.
Yes, there's some shade in the tree lines at the back. It was good.
Yeah,
Today,
we had
a bit more.
yeah. I mean, you sort of how it works to go and come back from Patong is sort of you agree a time with the
Yes.
boat driver, and then when sort of the time comes, you sort of there's a guy with a walkie-talkie. Sort of you go to him, you remember the boat's number, and then he calls the guy, and the boat comes in to pick you up. But yeah, otherwise all good.
Yes. We had the boat all to ourselves. Obviously, it was at a higher price. How much was it?
It was 1,200 baht.
Yes, you can negotiate it a bit.
Yeah. I think we could have negotiated a bit more as well.
So that was good.
So today we took the smart bus again
Yes.
from Kamala, and we made our way to Surin Beach.
I've read that this beach is more where the high-end resorts are. The beach itself looks really nice. The sand looks really fine and clean. The sea looks amazing. It's a bit more organized. There's a lot of deck chairs, umbrellas.
Yeah, we took a deck chair underneath the tree line.
Shade, prioritizing the shade.
Yeah, because the heat is real. It's been like 33 degrees today. With the humidity, it feels like 38. So,
All that's left is to
yeah, we need to
take a dip.
we need to refresh. Yeah, we'll spend some time here today.
We'll see where the day takes us.
Yeah. Maybe there's some other beaches not too far. Maybe we explore those as well. Stay tuned.
Spoiler alert, we liked Surin Beach so much we just spent the day here. Surin Beach is located very close to Kamala Beach. Basically, it's the next beach up. This is what the majority of our day looked like, and we're not complaining. This is my favorite beach so far. We had lunch right on the beach. Our table was directly behind our deck chairs, so we could keep an eye on our things. The food was good, typical Thai dishes.
So we got ourselves a smoothie. One must say that the service here at Surin Beach is impeccable. Right? We got a spot underneath the trees with an umbrella. The texture is very well cushioned. The guy is constantly checking if we need anything.
Sweeping the sand off the deck chair and off our feet.
Yeah, but I mean, you can get drinks ordered. They'll bring them over for you, you know. It's an enjoyable experience.
We got the sea breeze.
Yeah, it's a nice breeze. We need to get our umbrella repositioned a little bit, but we'll get it. In the meantime, cheers.
Time to head back to Kamala. While we were waiting on the bus stop for the smart bus, a tuk-tuk stopped and we agreed on a price, which ended up being similar to the bus ticket. But it would drop us off directly at the hotel, and it's a new vehicle we haven't tried, so we decided to give it a go. It was definitely a fun ride, but make sure to hold on tight to your belongings. This was such a chill out day. For me, Surin Beach is the best beach in Phuket. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Our next adventure is taking us to meet some elephants.